Hey everybody, Mitch here. Very exciting day today as I have sitting right there the new Acedeck Nomad N3, and today I'm going to be unboxing it for you. So let's get into it. So I've just cut the cardboard and taken the first look in, and immediately it's insane. It's almost overwhelming. It looks so crazy. It just looks like an absolute beast. Let's keep going. All right, so here's what you can expect to find in the box. Firstly, an extra grip tape with a different pattern to the one on the board. It looks really cool. And then next, straight away, you're just greeted by this wild board. It looks like just amazing with machined parts, carbon fiber, gear drive. Check it out. It's heavy. It's crazy. So I'm just gonna put the board aside and see what else is in the box for now. So yeah, straight away, we have a welcome kit. You are important. And yeah, that's the quick guide. We have a big charger and a bunch of different converters for different countries like the EU, North America, Australia. The remote, slightly different shape to what I'm used to with X-Way, but it feels pretty nice. Looks good. Also have this little box. Okay, it's pretty nice. So we have like an aluminum machined controller guard. It says Acedeck. I would say that adds like a touch of premium feeling to the board because the board already just seems like such high quality. This remote maybe doesn't feel at the same quality as the board, but I think just putting on that, the guard for it will immediately kind of just give it a more sturdy feeling. A bunch of stickers. And we have some classic tools that you might get with an electric skateboard. Common one. These are really nice. And then besides that, we have a few spare parts. And that's basically all that comes with this board. So there's not a ton of extra, there's no spare wheels or stuff like that. There's just the spare grip tape, the board, and everything you need to operate it right here, right now. Alright, so that was all for the unboxing. Just wanted to make it short and sweet. Unfortunately for me, I'm not headed out to try this baby out yet, as I'm actually the one making the Acedeck release video for this new board. So I need to do that before I really get it dirty. But maybe down the line I'll make a review of how I enjoy the board. If you're interested in that, maybe leave a comment. And yeah, hope you enjoyed. See you around.